be Bobila. Yep, you gotta be a construction worker if you have a farm. So I am making a chicken roost right now. It's this little perch for the chickens to sit on. And I looked online and saw some directions, but I think I can do it without any directions. I think I can do it with this Phillips screwdriver, this sharp tooth saw, and this dowel, and this piece of wood right here. I think I can come up with something. See where it's poking out there? Now I'm going to tack that onto this piece. I mean, not that piece. Tack it on this piece. So far, this is what we have. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a little crooked there. What's in it? This is just imitating a branch, because they're used to roosting on branches. So this just gives them the outdoor feel. It's my second one. My first one was actually better. I think I wasn't sitting down the job like I am now. But anyway, I'm almost done. It's finished. Chicken roost. Using the ingredients I showed you. No electricity whatsoever. Yes, it can be done. I guess I can add Master Craftsman to my resume now. Just kidding. Oh, my hands hurt from using this screwdriver. This is it's a lot of work. So, but awesome. It's finished. I'm excited. Go show the chickens now. Show their new roost.